Hi folks, this video will teach you about beta features. Beta features are features in Roblox Studio that Roblox is working on building and they want to test them before they release them. So go over to File menu, go to Beta Features. Beta is the Greek letter. Alpha, beta, gamma, blah, 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 delta, kappa. And come on, where's my beta features? Oh, they showed up in a different window. 2 monitors. Okay, so let's take a look at these things. So, AI-powered code completion, CSG version 3. So face capture, that looks cool. A lot of these, I'm just not doing that kind of stuff. Intuitive debugger, live animation, save rig with animation, scale factor for models. That's a good one. Because it used to be, if you scaled a model that was a package, it would break it. It would break the package length. Yeah, so I think, and also if you enroll in the beta channel, you automatically get the new ones turned on. I leave it off because sometimes my Roblox has been running slow, so I'm trying to, use the process of elimination and make sure it's not these beta features. But most of these look good. There's a couple I'm going to dig into, like the animation editor will have a face capture button to use a camera to record your own face movement onto an avatar. So that sounds awesome. So if you want me to do a video on that, please leave a comment below. Thank you.